Hi everyone, my name is Alessia and I am a photographer. Today I'll talk about vintage lingerie photoshoot in nature. We started the shoot with a sundress. I always begin with more closed looks to help the model feel more confident and to establish a comfortable connection in a setting that feels safe for her. Next, we moved on to the main part of the shoot with a white bodysuit. We added a lot of white pearl necklaces as props. Using props during a shoot helps keep the model engaged, especially if she's not a professional model but a client with little to no experience in front of the camera. After that, we switched to a set of white vintage lingerie and added a robe. For this look, I used an old camera and a newspaper as props. Thanks for watching, be sure to check out my other videos and see you next time.